सर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका हमारे शो पर। और आज जैसे स्टीलेक्स 25 का सेकंड डे है और जैसे इसको महाकुंभ का एक इतना भव्य और इतना ऑस्पिशियस नाम दिया गया है, और हमने ये भी देखा कि कल पहले दिन जब इसका आयोजन हुआ तो बहुत वाकई महाकुंभ की तरह ही आगे बढ़ा। तो सर सबसे पहले आपका इंट्रोडक्शन जानना चाहूँगी और साथ ही साथ ये भी कि आप आईफा से बहुत टाइम से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो उसका कैसे कंट्रीब्यूशन, क्या भूमिका है, वो भी आप थोड़ा बताइए।
Thank you, Hemlata ji, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Gopal Gupta. I represent a company by the name of Lexicon Steels Limited, and we are into stainless steel production.
Okay.
So we've been running this stainless steel business since last 40 years, and we are exporting to 82 countries in the world, and we make about 100 different grades in 100 different sizes and 100 different shapes. Okay. So we have a lot of permutations and combinations in what we do. As regards IFA is concerned, I have been associated with IFA when IFA was just a very small baby.
Okay.
I became a member around 1990 somewhere, and IFA was born in 1988, something like that. So it was a 2 years old baby when I joined. So I was talking to somebody else also. So the first conference that we had only 12 attendees, and now yesterday when I entered this conference and expo, there were 1400 registrations. So look at the growth.
Yes.
So IFA, what I've seen is it was started, the name was All India Induction Furnaces Associations. So we started with induction furnaces. Now, but later on, we added stainless steel, rolling mills, sponge iron. All these people have also joined this association. So now we have changed the name to IFA Sustainable Steel Association. This is what about IFA is. And our president, Mr. Yogesh Mandhani, in the last 3 years, he has worked very hard to take it to the next level.
Yes.
Yeah.
So IFA was a baby when you joined, right? And you contributed as well. So what you have seen means like the ups and downs so far in throughout this journey, or any barriers you are facing or steel industry is facing, if you can just put some light.
Yeah, there have been a lot of any association when it starts with a problem. Like in 1985 or 88, there were problem of imports. Okay. It was all quota system and all these things. So the association was born with that problem. So normally the association start like that. So in the last 35-40 years, we have seen a lot of problems. This association has helped a lot of people in solving their problem. Currently, there are new problems have emerged. For example, after this GST regime, there is a lot of problem going on as regards to GST is concerned. There is a lot of problems going on as regards import of material is concerned. For example,
can you elaborate GST issue a little bit?
A GST issue, the problem is when we take input of the material,
okay,
the GST credit of the material that we are using. So there are a lot of questions on that. Okay. The supplier has cheated us by giving maybe some wrong invoices and all that, and material we have received the material, but still the input credit has been disallowed. So that is a major problem that we have been facing in these days. Similar problem is imports. Like I am into stainless steel business. The total production of India is around 4.85 million tons.
Yes.
And India used to be number 2 in stainless steel production. But in the last 5 years, Indonesia has grown up like anything, and it has surpassed India.
Okay.
Just because, and India with Indonesia, we have a free trade agreement. So now what is happening is all the billets, ingots and slabs, they're all imported from Indonesia, and Indian people are suffering.
So have you proposed some solutions for this?
Yeah, the solution is we have represented to the government. It's a recent issue. We represented to the government to have maybe implement safeguard duty on import of billets, on import of semis, slabs and billets, and we have requested them for make maybe some quota system, because the current production capacity of India is not being fully utilized, and the material is coming from, so there can be some quota system. Like for example, if I have a capacity of 10,000 tons and somebody has a capacity of 20,000 tons, the total is 30,000. So after 30,000, import is allowed, But before 30,000, import should not be allowed. Something like Europe also has this quota system.
Okay.
So that kind of possibility is there.
And also means like yesterday it was the first day of SteelX 25, right? And you also seen the huge response as you said. So what are you expecting? Means the solutions would come out soon or it would take time?
No, देखिए सब लोग इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं, लोग मिल रहे हैं एक दूसरे से, आइडियाज एक्सचेंज होते हैं,
Okay.
लॉट ऑफ न्यू थॉट्स कम, और मिलने जुलने से काम तो होएगा एक दिन, बस लगे रहेंगे तो जरूर काम होगा, व्हाई नॉट.
ठीक है. Any means like anything you want to say to audience or your means like you know the partners in this industry?
Yeah, I would request everyone to be part of this association, whosoever is in steel industry. और मिलजुल के मतलब क्या होता है, जो दिखता है वही काम होता है. मतलब वी हैव टू बी प्रेजेंट ऑल द टाइम. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार हमने किसी को गवर्नमेंट को बोल दिया कि ये काम हो जाएगा, ऐसा भी नहीं होता है. तो वी हैव टू कंटिन्यूअली फॉलो अप, फ्रीक्वेंसी इज देयर,
Absolutely.
और मिलने जुलने से आइडियाज एक्सचेंज करेंगे तो आई डेफिनेटली विल अचीव व्हाट वी वांट.
डेफिनेटली एंड टुडे जैसा हमने कल देखा बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस, और हमें आज भी लग रहा है कि वही एंथुसियाज्म सबके अंदर है, वही ज़ील के साथ सब आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
डेफिनेटली दिस इज अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म.
और ऑप्टिमिस्टिक अगर हम अप्रोच रखें, सब मिल के काम करें तो डेफिनेटली सॉल्यूशंस भी निकलेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर यू नो शेयरिंग द वैल्यूएबल थॉट्स
थैंक
विद
यू
अस.
सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी.